Hey everybody, let's talk about CMG here at Chipotle. I like the company. I like their burrito bowls. I like it with chicken. I like it with guac, white rice, black beans. Definitely get it with the salad dressing instead of sour cream. It'll save you some calories and fat. But I hate their queso. I think it stinks. But let's get to more important issues here, and that is with the stock. Should you be buying the stock? Should you be getting long here at these levels where it's trading at $829? And frankly, no, you shouldn't be. You should be holding off right now. You should be waiting for it to come back down to like the lower 700s. If you can get in at like 712 to 715, that would be ideal right now. Because check this out. You have a trend line following a gap higher back in February of this year, and it has held this trend line very well. And so what you want is a pullback to that level to get long on. So anywhere between like 712 to 715 would be ideal. But if you can get in maybe like a month or two down the road at, I don't know, let's say 720 or 725, it's still probably a pretty good entry. But I would wait for a pullback to this rising trend line to get long on. Now, long term, yeah, the stock will probably trade higher in the years to come. However, if you're looking for the best opportunity to maximize your capital, be able to buy more shares of CMG as a result of being patient, you're better off waiting for like a push down to like the 700 level. Now, let's say the market falls apart here in the coming year and we see like a 20-30% decline. If you can get in closer to like the 500s where it made this huge gap back in February of this year, man, that's really what you want to target. Yes, that's not happening anytime soon, but if you're patient enough, there are such things as market cycles, and you could see something like what we saw back in October, November, and December of last year come to fruition again this year, and you might have a chance at getting it sub 700. So thank you for tuning in. Don't buy Chipotle at this level. Be patient. Wait for a pullback. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, as well as check out some of these other cool videos that I've done. And if you want to swing trade with me each and every day, you can do so by going to www.shareplanner.com/splash zone. Thanks and happy trading.